Real spirituality is about rejecting the false. Real spirituality, therefore, is uncompromising, harsh, ruthless. Just reject the false. That's what real spirituality is about. But if you are living in an age, in an era, in a society, in an economic system that is dominated by forces of falsenesses, then it becomes imperative for them to invent a new kind of spirituality that engages, even endorses all falsenesses. So you have terms like, don't judge me, or don't judge anybody. Now what does that mean? That means don't call the false as false. Because if you start calling the false as false, how will the false sell itself? And how will the sellers of falsenesses profit from your pocket? Therefore, the new spiritual aphorism is, don't judge. Similar to this is, belonging to the same family, love unconditionally. Where is discretion then? If everything is lovable, then the dirt within is also lovable. Then what is the need to improve at all? If one's dirty condition is lovable, is there a need to take a spiritual bath? Similarly, there are more such adages floating in the spiritual places nowadays. And they have become so commonplace that they have almost gained acceptability as something scriptural. People are surprised when I tell them that no scripture ever talks of such things as looking at the true and the false in the same way. No scripture ever says that the false is as lovable and as respectable as the truth.